Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're on the train now. Start by deciding your story arc, beginning, middle, end, and grab the first establishing shot. Frame the carriage window, the ticket, and a 3-5-second boarding clip to anchor viewers. Once done, lock exposure and focus, and shoot steady clips between 3-8 seconds each so edits stay tight. Make sure to record one natural audio moment, like ambient track noise or an announcement, which you'll use for pacing and authenticity later. Next, deepen the story by alternating wide landscape frames with close-up details. This contrast creates visual rhythm. Record short voice notes describing location and emotion for captions or a vocal overlay. These 10-20-second snippets help explain why each moment matters. Once you have 8-15 clips, add B-roll like window reflections and platform hustle to mask cuts. Make sure to vary motion and stillness so your edit can breathe, and keep file organization, labeled by scene for fast editing. Finish by assembling clips in chronological order and trimming to a clear 15-60-second arc: intro, travel moment, arrival, or reflection. Apply one clean color grade and add captions from your voice notes so viewers can follow without sound. Then lay a low-volume music bed at about -12 dB so dialogue remains audible. Once done, export optimized for Instagram, upload with geotag and concise caption. If you hit errors, retry on Wi-Fi or compress to 720p.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.